Hey guys, Thomas Baca Barber back with a unboxing. Let's get right into it. The JRL Lamborghini Clippers. This is the box the JRL sent me right here. Let's go unbox it together. You can even do it from the back. Let's see what's in here, guys. Irving Barber Company. Looks like someone sent me some conditioner. Thank you, JRL. Some conditioner. Some shampoo from JRL. I'll definitely try that out. Do a hair wash today. Cut and shave prep tonic from JRL. Cool. Let's see. Some pomade from JRL. Let's see. Let's get rid of this straight razor, guys. We don't need it. Look. Turn it that way. Guess it's a... There's a pomade, guys. H14 glass sheen. So if you want your hair to shine, this will shine your hair. Last but not least, here's some shave gel by JRL. I'm going to be using all of this. All right, guys, cool. Look at the back. All of that stuff, that was all for free. They also sent me these too. They really hooked me up. I appreciate you guys. Whoever did this for me, thank you. These gloves look great. Let's put this down for a second. Look at this. We'll get right into the clippers, guys. They're sitting in the box. Let's just see how these gloves feel real quick. Let's see, watch. Toss it up on my station. Look. Guys, let's see how these gloves feel. Great. What size are those? Extra large. I usually wear a large, but cool, those fit good. I'll be using those today. Guys, these are them. This is what I ordered. JRL Ferrari Clippers. It's like box comes up. That's what they look like. Charging stand. I already have plenty of those. Another charging stand. See what the clippers look like. Look, put the clippers right here for 2 seconds. Let's see in the box. You guys are going to get brand new guards. Let's see if they look the same as the other guards. Cool. Huh. Here's some guards that they give you for the trimmers. That's actually really cool. All right, sick. Guys, look, these are the clippers. Let's get the clipper out first. Those are them. Oh, wow, they feel really good. They feel really good. God, it's like a grip here. Yeah, they feel different. The click is even better on these. The weight distribution with the fingers, that's fire. I could already, it's just gas to me. So I could take that off. Oh yeah, they hit disgusting. I'm gonna tell you, they're a 10 out of 10. These are I can't wait to use these. These will be put right over here. Look behind, guys. They have that. Just really hold your fingers in place. Perfect. They have a little slider here just so it doesn't. They're just built really good. Let's put them up to the other one and see what they're like. Look, guys. These ones are thinner. I like these ones better. I can already tell I like them better. These are great. I like these better. Look, I already have all this shit, and so let's see. Let's go open the other ones and see what they're like. Pop these right on my charger. Actually, we'll just put them on the Ferrari charger, just in case it's a different charger. Like, these are pretty dope. God, those might even be heavier than the Clippers as far as like hitting heavy. These are gas. God, these are absolutely amazing. Shout out. I'm going to look, guys, just real super quick. This is a trip, guys. I'm going to tell you right now. Shout out to JRL. You guys are the leaders in the game. These are undeniable. These are elite. These actually match my logo, guys. And these are just fire. These are everything that I could ever dream of in a Clipper. These are absolutely amazing. And the fact that these come with the fact that these come with trimmers with little guards to them, you imagine how easy. And then these are just big enough to where they're almost an in-between. They're almost kind of like a Clipper, guys. These are real. These are going to be, I can't wait to use them. These are heavy hitting. I'll bust a video out. You guys could see me using them. But yeah, guys, I got these. These are fire. I would recommend that everybody in the barber game have these. Look, guys, look at this. Straight gas. These are straight gas. And just to give you an idea on the level that I'm on, guys, look at this. Shove it. That's a trip. Guys, look at these. Look at some of the scissors I use. Hey guys, I appreciate you guys watching the video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Sir Men's Salon. Look at here's our logo right here. Boom. Look at quick little shop view. Bam. All right, guys, later.